This is how much I have in my Yupp wallet. This is 5,184 Yupp credits, and I only did 2 tasks here. The first task gave me 5,000 Yupp credits, and the second task gave me 234 Yupp credits. You may be wondering, what is Yupp? Well, let me explain. Yupp AI is a tool where you enter a prompt, and instead of getting one AI answer, you get 2 or more responses from different AI models, and even earn reward for helping choose the best response. Yupp was launched on June 13, 2024. It is not up to a year yet, and it is doing wonders. You can earn $50 to $100 every month just by choosing the best response for AI. That is helping to train AI. Don't worry, I'll explain more further for you. But first, I need to take you through on how to register on this site called Yupp. Before we continue, please let me make a disclaimer. This video is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advisor, and I do not guarantee that you make a specific amount of money. Your result depends on your efforts. Please always make your own research. Now, to create an account on Yupp, the first thing you will need is a VPN or proxy. Okay, I'll be using a UK proxy. So now let's go and on my proxy. Now that my proxy is on, let's go and check the percentage of my proxy. But first, I need to change my time zone. Let's go to settings to change my time zone. For those of you that doesn't know how to change time zone, this is how to do it. Okay, search time and date. Okay, now select your time zone. Our time is in Nigeria, so for me to get 100% on my proxy, I need to change it to United Kingdom. United Kingdom. Okay, we are just 1 hour difference. Now let's go down to change it to second clock. Is in Lagos. We need to put it to London. United Kingdom. Okay. Let's open it from here to check our proxy percentage. Okay, our disguise is in 100. Now let's go. The next thing to do is to choose your preferred browser. So my preferred browser now is Brave browser. Okay, now let's search for Yupp AI. Okay, this is it. Okay, we are going to be signing up with Google. If today is the first time I'm coming across my video, you are welcome to Always Earn TV. In this channel, I make video on how to make money from the online space, both from sites and apps. And if that is the kind of content you love, please do well to subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. Okay, now input your preferred Google address. Okay, and click on next. Now input your code, your password, sorry. Okay, click on continue. Make sure your proxy is on while you are doing this. Here we are. Hi, sweet. Write your first prompt. So you are going to write your first prompt. All right. Write any prompt you know. Okay. In this case, I'll say, give me a prompt. Give me a prompt on how to grow my natural hair. Okay, after writing it, you click on send prompt. And here it is. Go through all the prompt that is being generated and pick any one of your choice. This one is from ChatGPT. This one is for Kumi3. This one is from Kumi3. Okay. After going through all the prompts, just pick on any one you love. I will choose this. I click on I prefer this. Then they will ask you, why was this response better? Then pick why you think it is better. I will choose because it's fast, is on target, and is insightful. Then I'll click on send feedback. I'll get a card to scratch. Okay. I got 5,000 Yupp credits, and 1,000 Yupp credit is equals to $1. All right. And here I have 5,000 Yupp credits, and you can withdraw once you get more than 5,000 Yupp credits. Then withdrawal option will pop up. Now let's continue. Take me to the home page. Now let's go so that I will show you how to navigate on this site. So select your age. You can choose from 18 to 25 or from 26 to 39. Okay. Now your educational level, I choose bachelor's degree. And when you come down here, you put your occupation. Okay, I will choose IT manager. You can choose anything though. Okay, click on get started now. And here we are in the home page. Now this is how to earn from Yupp. Okay, all you have to do is to give it a prompt. Once you give it a prompt, it will give you different response from different AI model. Choose the one that you love the most, the one that you love the explanation the most. Okay, you are only earning just by choosing the best response for this AI. That is helping them to train the AI for better response. All right. To withdraw from this Yupp AI, click on this S icon. Okay. This is it. Cash out is not enabled. This account you're seeing right here is a new account. I just created this account now, so it is not yet enabled. For me to withdraw or cash out from this platform is based on my activity. Okay, you can withdraw to PayPal, Bitcoin or Stripe bank transfer. That is their withdrawal method. You can also earn by referring. Okay, you earn some reward by sharing your referral link. And when you register with my own referral link, you get 5,000 coins. So for you to get access to the link, it will be in the description of this video and also on the comment section. You can also join my Telegram community to get access to the link, or you join my WhatsApp group. There also I share more updates on legit way to make money from the online space. So this is where I'll be stopping in this video. If you get any value from it, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, drop your comment and share this video too so that others can watch too. Thank you for watching today's video. I wish to see you in my next one. Bye.